Hello, Sven here, just calling to give an update on the manufacturing company that I've been working on purchasing with Robert's system and guidance. And I'm happy to report that as of this afternoon, I've actually signed the purchase agreement for the manufacturing company. And I've been using the Robert's guidance and one-on-one teaching. Has been absolutely fantastic. It's really made the difference to accelerate the whole process and actually make it happen. There's several key times in the whole purchase negotiation where Robert's influence has really helped move it past some hurdles and get over some humps that I don't know how it would have gotten over without his guidance. So that was really fantastic. Thank you, Robert. And happy to say that in about 5 weeks, I plan to be the new owner of a $3 million manufacturing company. So thank you, Robert. I appreciate all your help. It's been life-changing for myself and my family, and highly recommended, and excited to report back. So take care, and good luck, everybody. Bye.